If size matters, look at this large 3-bedroom plus versatile home office. Could be a 4th bedroom, 2 full baths, 1 half bath and 3-car garage home, custom build 1984. Enjoy the view and natural light from 5 exterior pocket glass sliding doors that open to the extra-large lanai, cage pool and hot tub. Large living room has room for a piano. The kitchen opens to the cheerful breakfast area and the oversized family room, so whoever is cooking can still interact with guests or family. Crown molding throughout the home, cathedral ceiling in the family room, and the 2nd bathroom is designed as pool bath. The perfect location for living the good life on the 3rd fairway of the Lakes Golf Course. Broadmoor Pines is a great country club community. It offers highest level of luxury living in a serene, park-like setting. Very low HOA fees, $75 annually. No CDD fees. 3-minute drive to Palm-Aire Golf and Country Club. Choose from 2 beautiful 18-hole championship golf courses, the Champions Course, designed by renowned architect Dick Wilson, and the Lakes Course, designed by famed architect Joe Lee. Membership is optional. 4+ miles to UTC Mall, 100+ stores and 20+ dining option, Nathan Benderson Park and Competition Course, 20 miles to Siesta Key Beach, 8.1 miles to downtown Sarasota, 6 miles to Sarasota Bradenton Airport, 6.1 miles to Ed Smith Stadium, home of the Baltimore Orioles spring training.